this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be going over what you will get in the October Mixed Media Inspired box from Junction. So when you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is an insert that'll go over what's inside the box, and it'll also give you a code for a discount on the store. The first product we're going to talk about is the Distress Resist Spray. Now this is a really interesting product because when it dries it's completely clear and waterproof, but it also retains that spray pattern and creates some texture. Really interesting, lots of cool things you can do. There's also this exclusive pin for the month, and 2 colors of Distress ink in Blueprint Sketch and Frayed Burlap. A bunch of tags in size 8. These are great for working with Distress inks or any kind of product. It's meant for holding up to mixed media. And this is the product I'm most excited about. It's a 3x5 collage style stamp from Carabel. And the last item is 3 pages of vintage sheet music, perfect for collaging or creating books with, or basically anything you want to do with mixed media. I'd love to see the projects you're creating with this box. Please put them up on social media using hashtag #MixedMediaInspired. And if you want to join in on the fun, be sure to check out the description below for a link so that you can be part of the Mixed Media Inspired subscription.